Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video from Lydia's Plate. Today I am cleaning out my closet, sorting through clothes, and just doing general cleanup. I will not do socks or underwear because that's something I just do on a regular basis. As it has holes or is worn out, it goes out and I buy new as needed. This is just going to be my general shirts, pants, all that kind of stuff. So let's get started. So first I'm pulling everything out, and I'm also sorting hangers here, kind of. I'll sort them more specifically yet, but for now I just want to get the basic job done and take out the clothes that I know I rarely ever wear, or wear so infrequently that I don't need to keep. I did find my grad dress here at the back, and oh boy, that brings back memories. That is so long ago already, but anyways, yes, my mom made it for me, and I keep thinking maybe one day I'll wear it again for something. I don't know. I've almost worn it to one occasion because we had a dress-up thing, but I chickened out and didn't wear it, although it did still fit. So 4 kids later, and how many years later, and it still fit. So I was pretty pumped about that, but I don't know. I've become a jeans and shirt kind of girl, so I don't wear skirts and dresses anymore, but whatever, I want to hang on to it. I have a lot of items here that I just don't wear often, things that, I'll wear maybe around a campfire once in a year, and I'm just tired of hanging on to stuff that I wear that infrequently, so it's time to clean out. There are multiple things here that I've put back, and I'm gonna keep mental note of if I wear them again, and if I do not, I will be cleaning them out as well. I generally seem to have a few favorites, and then that's what I wear all the time. I do have a couple things that I need to have for doing like really dirty work, like working out with the pigs. I don't want to wear my good clothes that I would wear out or around people. So I need to keep some of those items, but I don't need a whole lot of them. I was also surprised to find out how many items I still had from high school. So I've cleaned out a lot of that stuff too. My tastes have changed, my preferences have changed. So cleaning out a lot of that. I'm not really into fleecy type fabric, and for some reason I had several of those types of sweaters, so those are going away. And then I was just also kind of making that decision, like, do I really need that many long sleeve shirts, for example? The same went once I got to the tank tops. I was tired of having tank tops in there as an option when I'm staring at my closet and trying to figure out what do I want to wear. I was tired of seeing tank tops that just sit there and I don't wear them, but I think, oh, they're still in good shape, and it was just time to clean that all out and be done. Then as I'm putting clothes back in the closet, I am sorting them according to sleeve length. I'm not sorting them according to color or much else. I'm just sorting them according to sleeve length. And then now as I get to the tank tops, I am sorting those according to if they're a layering tank, so something that goes as my first layer, and then the other way I'm sorting is if it's a secondary layer, or if it's a good tank top or like a work tank top / t-shirt. So my sorting is pretty simple here, it just needs to get finished. Also, some of these items, as I'm going through them, I'm noticing that there are stains on the front, like grease type stains or something that I didn't notice when it came through the wash, and so I'm paying more attention to that now, and if it needs some TLC, it is getting thrown into the laundry hamper. I'm almost through all of it and it is feeling so good. I think it's almost like therapy or something. It just feels so good to have any extra clutter out of the way. It feels so good to have more space in my closet. And I hope that this is motivating you to go clean out some space in your house, whether it's your closet as well, or maybe something else, some other place, some other room. But I just hope that you are so incredibly encouraged and motivated to go make some decisions and make your life better. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That helps me out so much. And if you have any comments, feel free to put them down below. I love interacting with you. In the end here now, I'm just going to sort my hangers, and any hangers that are kind of like lower quality or whatever, that type of thing, they're going to go out. I'm going to keep the ones that have plastic coating. I'm going to keep the ones that have those little notches on them or whatever, so that tank top sleeves don't slide off. You know, they kind of have those hooks in there to help shirts, tank tops stay on better. I'm going to keep those ones, and I'm just going to sort through these and get that all done and get rid of, you know, trashier hangers. So anyways, guys, I'm just about done here. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Bye, guys.